Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, we're coming at you with the 2017 ISUZU NPR-EFI powered by the 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine with 113,000 miles on the odometer. This aluminum cargo box by Lind Coach measures 14 foot long. On the inside, you have 91 inches of width and interior 86 inches of overhead height. It's equipped with tie-down slats, LED lighting, it has a hardwood floor, and in the rear we have a step bumper and aluminum loading ramp. Moving on to the cab interior, it is in very nice condition and is equipped with all the normal amenities that you come to find in most every ISUZU. Commercial break. Hey, if you like this video, want to see more like it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right there. Hey Jeff, how can I buy this truck? Well, we accept cash payments, or you can bring your own lender, and we have lenders standing by if you'd like to finance with us. Matter of fact, we have a digital credit application in the link just below here. Keep in mind, we also have coast-to-coast delivery available and an optional 3-year nationwide warranty for your engine, transmission, and rear end. Now, if this ISUZU is not exactly what you're looking for, make sure you check out our website. We have an array of different specifications, bigger boxes, different tie-down arrangements, lift gates, ramps, older units, newer units, miles as low as 50, 60,000. As always, my name is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.